Telecoms, and also dun sa mga kasama ko sa AMA Computer College, especially kay Engineer Allen Joseph Horbidalia.
May I ask, what do you do for SBMA Telecoms?
Sa Telecoms po, kasama ko si Kuya Danex po sa Project Division po.
Project Division, there you go. All right. And Mr. Danex, of course, your turn.
Yes, good morning po. We're here once again to promote po yung incoming seminars and workshop namin. We're from ISEP Zambales Chapter, Institute of Electronics Engineers of the Philippines, and ang schedule po pala ng seminars namin this coming October 24, that is Sunday,
Okay.
8 to 5 p.m. Actually, dalawa to eh. Actually, dalawa tong workshop 1 and workshop 2.
Okay.
So yung isa is on October 24, 2015, and yung isa po is November 7, 2015.
Okay.
First po, yung unang seminar would be titled CCTV System Design Fundamentals and Workshop. So,
Okay.
so interesting tong workshop and seminar na to. So, yung pong mga interesado, pwede nyo po i-check out yung Facebook page ng ISEP Zambales Chapter para makita nyo po ibang details.
All right.
So, we're here to promote po yun, yung dalawa na yun. Yung isa po naman is on November 7, entitled Electronics Auxiliary Design and Workshop. So,
Okay.
both po is credited with 8 CPD points, which is kailangan po nating mga professionals pag nag-renew po ng license natin.
Oh, pareho to sir, ano? Tag 8 CPD points.
Yes,
each
po.
seminar.
Yes, DJ. Parehas pong 8 CPD points to.
A total of 16.
Yes, 8
Ganun ba
to
yun?
5 p.m. po.
Okay. So, where is this gonna be held, Madam Ruby?
Sa regulatory building po, sa SBMA regulatory building, sa lobby lang po.
Yan, all right. With our resource speaker, una muna yung sa CCTV System Design Fundamentals and Workshop. Ang spokesperson ninyo would be Engineer Rolando Moses F. Aquino. Would you like to tell us more about Engineer Aquino? Maybe his credentials and yeah.
He's actually a PECE, graduate of MBA, MSIT,
Okay.
and CEO of Benmark Corporation, Baguio City.
All right. So, very credible spokesperson, most probably, syempre naman. And yung sa second workshop naman, si Engineer Grace Aguilos will be the resource speaker for the Electronics Auxiliary Design and Workshop. Again, more about Engineer Aguilos, please.
She's also a PECE, ASEAN engineer, and ACPE. She's also the ISEP National Treasurer.
All right. National, huh? Yeah. Okay. So, Institute of Electronic Engineers of the Philippines Incorporated, sila lang ba yung invited to attend these two seminars, or anybody can join who's interested? Kahit hindi engineer or, of course, CCTV System Design and Fundamentals is applicable to everybody, for all businesses din, di ba? If you happen to own a business, di ba, this is perfect for you. If you wanna know your way around the CCTV, would you like to tell them more about it? Sige. Yung mga pwedeng umattend, pwedeng pumunta, and yeah.
Actually, yung workshop po, open po siya sa lahat. Members and non-members of the organization, together with the student. So, meron din po kami, discuss ko po yung registration fee,
Go
which
ahead.
is, for the member, we have 1,200.
Okay.
For the non-member, we have 1,500 for
Alright.
the registration.
Okay.
And for the students, it's only 250 pesos.
All right. And same goes with the other both seminars and workshop.
For each
Ganun yung
seminar po
yun yung
yan.
registration fee.
Apo.
Ayan.
But we actually have a promo. So pag nagpa-register po sila, one-time registration.
On both seminars?
On both seminars po. Ang member po magiging 2,000 pesos na lang. And then for the non-member, which is 2,500 po.
You have to register ng sabay. I-register mo ng sabay to avail of the discount.
Yes po.
Yeah. Okay. And yung sa student, mababa lang talaga. It's only 250 because, they're just students and...
Yes po.
Yeah. Okay, so check it out. October 24, the CCTV System Design Fundamentals and Workshop. And yung isa naman, November 7, the Electronics Auxiliary Design and Workshop. Inviting all engineers, students, business owners most probably, lalo na sa CCTV System Design Fundamentals and Workshop, di ba? Napaka-importante nito. It's important that hindi lang basta-basta meron kang CCTV sa business establishment mo. It's also important that you know your way around the CCTV, di ba?
Yes, tama, DJ, tama
dahil
po.
alam naman nating lahat, ang dami nang na-solve na crime
Yes,
or
so
even na-prevent.
interesting talaga tong
Yung mga
topic na to.
CCTV,
Kaya sa tingin namin marami talagang attend nito. So for further inquiries po, you can call Engineer Tony Rafanan. Sa kanyang number po is 0917-4583749.
Okay.
Also, Engineer Jefferson Lantada, 0917-5305-160.
Okay.
And Engineer Arlene Grate, 0917-5021-140. So, yung
Alright.
mga interested po na umattend po sa isa or yung dalawang seminars po, tawagan nyo lang po yung mga numbers na ibinigay or you can check po yung Facebook page ng
Yeah.
ISEP Zambales Chapter
Aha.
na ando doon po nakapost na yung mga ibang details pa.
Actually, I was about to ask that because people are not gonna remember all these numbers, di ba?
Yes po, yes po.
The easiest way for you to do that, kung gusto nyong umattend, you're interested, check it out on Facebook. Ayan. What are the search words? If I'm on Facebook, I wanna search for it. What are the search words that I'm gonna type?
ISEP Zambales Chapter lang.
ICEP.
IECEP.
IECEP. Did I get it right?
Yes po, yes,
ICEP,
yes,
yan.
DJ.
Hanapin nyo lang po, IECEP on Facebook to find out more about the CCTV System Design Fundamentals Workshop and the Electronics Auxiliary Design and Workshop.
Yes po.
Ayan. This has
So-
been ongoing for quite some time now, right? Is this an annual thing? Or depende lang kung na-organize or
Palagi po kami nagkakandak ng mga seminars pero different topics.
different topics?
Conforme din dun sa mga
Sa needs and
yung mga minsan may mga tumatawag ba or anong klaseng
Nag-inquire.
topic ang gusto nila.
Ah.
So tumatawag kami sa mga resource speakers kung available sila. So
Awesome. Mhm.
So kaya nga medyo excited din kami. In behalf nga pala ng ng bumubuo ng ISEP Zambales Chapter, tsaka yung iba pang mga professionals na kasama namin. So iniimbitahan po talaga namin kayo na umattend dito sa seminar na to.
Okay.
Okay
Alright.
po.
Okay, so do check it out. Don't forget the dates. Mark your calendars. October 24 and November 7. I'm gonna be keeping these flyers to myself.
po,
and
pakiano
that
na lang.
We can plug it from time to time. Most probably every program of
Paki na lang
this.
po para
Of
marinig
course.
po ng mga
We will.
listeners natin dito sa 18.5.
All right. So, anything else you would like to add?
We would like to thank nga pala yung regulatory group and sama ko na yung telecoms department syempre.
Siyempre naman.
Saka yung mga kasama namin sa ISEP Zambales Chapter na talagang inorganize namin tong seminar na to kasi knowing na maraming magiging interesado rito. So sa October 24 po kita-kita tayo sa Regulatory Building Lobby. Ang seminar po natin ay CCTV System Design Fundamentals and Workshop. And on November 7 sa Regulatory Building Lobby pa rin po, Electronics Auxiliary Design and Workshop.
Mark your calendars.
Yes po.
By the way, matanong ko lang, sir. For sure, I know for sure what's the CCTV System Design Fundamentals is all about. How about the other one, Electronics Auxiliary Design? What are mainly gonna be the ones discussed here? Dito sa, would you like to answer that, Ma'am Ruby? O tinuturo niya si Sir Danex. Yung Electronics Auxiliary Design and Workshop, mainly, maybe a brief description or mainly anong
Dito po sa
topic natin
Electronics
dito?
Auxiliary Design, so yung mga basic design lang ng basta may kinalaman regarding sa electronics.
Electronics.
Yes po. Pwede rin silang magtanong during po ng seminar. Usually po yung umaga po kasi nito, yun po yung talaga yung pinaka discussion. Then yung sa hapon, doon po talaga gagawin na yung mga workshop. So yung mga electronics enthusiasts dyan, ini-invite namin kayo na maging part nitong seminar na to para siguro mas lalo pang magkaroon kayo ng knowledge and sa technical know-how natin regarding dito nga sa electronics. Basic electronics and yun may bibigay na topics din. May troubleshooting din, syempre kasama dun sa workshop. So kaya kanina pa sinasabi ko talaga interesting talaga tong workshops na to, tong dalawa na to.
Parang it will bring out the MacGyver in you, no? Parang ganun.
Ganun po. Yung mga techie guy dyan.
Techie. All right. Okay, so do check it out. Mark your calendars, October 24 and November 7. And we'd like to thank our guest here, si Miss Ruby and si Sir Danex, for sharing this beautiful piece of info sa mga tagapakinig natin. Now your turn to maybe greet or give shoutouts. Baka may mga gusto kayong batiin na nakikinig ngayon. Go ahead, feel free before we wrap things up. May mga gusto ba kayong batiin? Sige, go ahead. Mga nakikinig. Wala na?
Hindi, may babatiin niya, medyo nahiya lang. Sige,
Sige,
Ma'am
go
Ruby,
ahead.
pakihin na lang. Go ahead.
Greet mo, yung mga nakikinig ngayon na ano, baka they're listening to you. So sabi nila, di man lang kami batiin ito. Now's your chance. Come on.
Batiin ko lang ulit si Engineer Allen Horpidalla kasi kanina pa siya nagte-text.
Oh, see?
Nabatiin ko daw siya.
Oh, exactly. Dapat, you have to. Family, friends, relatives, wala na?
Wala naman.
Okay, all right. How about you, sir?
Yun nga, binabati ko yung lahat ng mga taga-telecoms, mga ka-office mates namin doon, tsaka sino pa ba? Yung mga kasamahan namin, actually ni DJ Tom sa Ballers, mga kasama namin.
Yeah.
Yung mga tropang Ballers,
Green
Go Green,
Team!
Go Green, alright. Tsaka sa tropang TTH pala, mga kasama natin dyan.
All right.
Yun lang po.
Okay. Okay, so again, thank you for dropping by and sharing with our listeners this piece of info. Okay, going back to music playing now. Here's something from the Fallout Boy. This one's requested as well via the text hotline. The song is called Uma Thurman. Check it out, 895 My Subic Bay Radio.